Yo, my name is Theophilus Isaac Nikpapokwe, Chorkor Assembly member. Minke Chorkor Mamufenyake. I'm a subscribe Chorkor UTV. We are promoting and taking Chorkor to the world. Say in case you don't know, just representing live. This is Theophilus. Hi.
Ofane achomini ai miniji ogbe.
Achomini kojublio kai.
Mi falabo kemba Chorkor Youth TV.
Ora don.
Aleno obanyo jo nse chon.
Achomini kojublio kai ton benin chon yen kebwe. Bi afom ye Chorkor chemo na afom ye bi ndaye bi ente school ke in nursery a on ke ashi JSS ke SSS ninte fantek beshin bi praji na in langboka.
Ofane miniji ogbeji anoto ye ngmene oshiki fon na afon e bi.
Min to moshike ha akatanwa ne GNDC party mi nkwa gashin no fia no baya no ojugba kwana fe ni ofen wo vote ye hejolemli konika avote ta nyami na nyami nyanwa na nyanwo kwa na woku na je bi ofen wo na wo agachi woku meso bona fe ni no ba fe e ka fe no konike na gba baba shoke manye baba na agbemli.
Aleno ye gbejiano to nye na agba ekome alo te nibi alete ana gidigidi ko alo line ke nibi mini oyo
kenkle ni babi ene moko ke sanefon ya keshin ya bi egbe ake ana egbe ye njon register me we tried everything possible ni we came back again we were so sure akeshin egbe me because for bila keshin na fe exhibition e ba kwelo iken ba kwe nto akeshin be ne ba kwe na egbe me it's obvious akeshin the name should be there, so anything contrary to it we objected to it, but we went back in our thorough search. We realized akeshin egbe name ne vote sibia ne no mba akesa ne kwenman the same issue no she no kwe ake egbe register we try akeshin I use I scan a QR code and I scan the feedback was the name cannot be found in this police center station if you mean here ya few because ni be like any exhibition time enye ba ko elo ke he ba ko pepepe she if me na ko few agashin wona egbe near me, but a couple of issues ni are raised outside ni akeme kumehu here na metapo it's unfortunate because where politics or democracy has grown to unfortunate agashin obana ni mokoni eta ye na vote ni agashin emo intensity ya vote because I think this emwene ya vote I think wouldn't change the idea of people because if excuse me say you've starved somebody for a couple of years and now you give the person 20 Ghana cedis for him or her to vote for you, I think in the first place it's an insult to the person's personality.
Of aminta wan biake aleno gbejiano to ni chonake I may observe the COVID-19 protocols low.
Well, what I've seen so far with the observation, I think it's laudable, and I think people are adhering to it, and I think I will highly commend the officials here who are doing their job diligently, and I also be proud of my own Chemwena people. Akeshin, I'm like a hilaye ni no beja no tonsa na meto na America na ele ko am bomode ye process nem bona fe no fe no ya no tugba.
Nagbe sanibi mo ke habo miniji nga wo no yo ke ha Chorkor bi ni nkwe Chorkor Youth TV.
Madda boshi klenklen oni je enyon inga woni nke ya Chorkor Youth bi fen akeshin ame bomodin Chorkor ta flache wo pese ni eji chuchuma sani wo fen wo wa as youth koni money here developmental agenda alo money here development agenda koni wo fen opia ni ma non je tenwe ma bomodin ma pa Chorkor bi fen fa no subscribe to any wono ni Chorkor Youth TV wono ni me ko aje ku me wa me TV won Chorkor no wono subscribe bona fe ni won enjoy programs can be come ni am pa wo gbaja no to
Wonder boshi
yo mi wonder boshi gba agashin bon o kemena na question mo gba jobo.
All right, Charlie.
Yo, lovely people of Chorkor, my name is Alfred Niadotialote, popularly known as Alut. I was born and bred in Chorkor, and I continue to watch Chorkor UTV. Get it locked down. Everybody should watch Chorkor UTV, and we'll make our place a better place to live. Thank you.